हाय फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग मैथमेटिक्स शो में। हम बदलते हैं आपकी सोच, हम बदलते हैं आपका नज़रिया, हम निकालते हैं डर आपके मैथमेटिक्स का। मैथमेटिक्स इज़ नॉट अबाउट नंबर्स, इक्वेशंस, कॉम्पिटिशंस और अल्गोरिदम्स। इट इज़ अबाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग। हमारे नए नए वीडियो के लिए सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकॉन को क्लिक करना मत भूलिए। नमस्ते फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखने वाले हैं कौन सी भी लाइन यदि रहती है तो उसका डिवीज़न जो है कैसे हम करेंगे। whether it is divided into 2 parts, 4 parts or 8 parts by the concept of perpendicular bisector. So for that we have drawn here one line segment. Divide a line AB of the 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter का हमने क्या किया, यहाँ एक लाइन सेगमेंट जो है निकाला है। Now we have to divide that into the 4 equal parts. Now for that you are in need of this compass. ये कंपोज जो है उसकी हमको आवश्यकता रहती है। We have drawn here a 7 centimeter distance. This is our 7 centimeter distance. This one. Now with the help of this compass we are drawing a perpendicular bisector of this AB at first. For drawing a perpendicular bisector you take a distance more than half. आधे से ज़्यादा हमको क्या करना है, डिस्टेंस जो है लेना है। और we have already done a video on it how to draw a perpendicular bisector. You can see that video. The link is given in the I button. So we are taking a distance more than half. आधे से ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस लेंगे हम। and you keep this pointer here. यहाँ पॉइंटर रखेंगे and we are keeping this pointer here and draw a one arc. इस प्रकार से हम आर्क जो है निकालेंगे। This one अपर साइड एंड लोअर साइड विदाउट चेंजिंग इट, हमको उसको चेंज नहीं करना है। नाउ यू ड्रॉ हियर इन दिस वे। सो ड्रॉ join this. You have to join this. This is divided into the 2 parts. Suppose we have given here the name M. Now we are divided into the 2 parts. Again by the same technique you can apply this type of information. Again take a distance. We have to draw a perpendicular bisector of this AM. We have to divide this AM into the 2 parts. So for that you take a distance more than half. This is full, this is a, again draw the curve in this way, in this way, again in this way. In the same way you draw a perpendicular bisector of another part. This one, this one. Again draw a perpendicular bisector. This is your perpendicular bisector, this is also your perpendicular bisector. So it is divided into two parts, 1 2 and again two parts, 1 2. So it is divided into the total 4 parts. You can write here the name x and the y. You will find that all the parts are the equal. So we have divided into the 4 equal parts. In the same way you can divide this into 8 equal parts. Now see here, divide the line AB 8 centimeter long and divide it into the 8 equal parts. Now see here, in the same way you can draw here 8 centimeter distance. This is PQ. You apply the same technique. You take a distance more than half, आधे से ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस लेना है, and you draw this perpendicular bisector. This is your first perpendicular bisector. Again you consider this, draw perpendicular bisector. Join this. It will be the another perpendicular bisector. Now this 1 2 3 4, it is divided into the 4 parts. Now you again divide every part into the 2 part again. In the same way you take a distance, this way. Again take a distance more than half, this one. Again again so you join it. So you join it. So it is divided into 8 equal parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You can give here name A, B, C, D, E, F, G. All parts will be equal. This type of the technique that you can apply to the every segment. हमारे नए नए वीडियो देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकॉन को क्लिक करना मत भूलिए, so that you will get the notification for every uploaded videos. Thank you very much.